Biyake gima umwanchi umurigeria begeta seni Ndizi TV nigo charagire CHINSA ISATO cha bono maragoba senero beire wekiranu kwene kebnago koletrande amangana AMAYIA unabere kagwateka kora chingongo chensi inye CHINSA CHINSA mochiche mitandao sensemo ya Facebook unapokwenda kutubwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemo ya YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News sensemo ya website nabotunya gwetera www.ndizitv.net ireterene FRIDAH KERUBO nilio kaineke unachibi chane iliogiria gwekire asenchira ya bene nere Nyanchama Abigael sensemo chebioro kailia nigoto kubwaterana nere LYDIA MOSE Chinga kitoroche aboncheria korwa ase chiro ya keroka bagendete kuboria abarayikora sorogongo rwa Gusii gotwara okoigwana nabayigo gotiga gokinya amaberera asomoshyo keroka kubwatekana ne okongusana nako gendeta kwene kigwa igoro yoro bebe romocho yo mwanchi muri sensemo ya Nyansiongo nigo egati abamenyi korwa senseme yo baburi kyombe bocholi ne chimbebe IEBC kwene kya bene nkoralia bale abo bisabe kyombe kyo linde kwali baga abamenyi bensemo ya Nyansiongo gochora abarai babona bigase county ya Kisii nigo abarandia babere bagwesoke bene nako igo kuboli mugavana bwi county yo Paul Simbarati otwaro koigwana na barayikorwa sorogongo rwa Gusii linde kwene kya amagendero Manchi murigereria ayonga tiari ngwariganetie asomogorobolero tuskatonyegera kwirana ndasege KERUBO sio elinde ngoma nyamange asenchira iyo wekirano Mwanchi murigereria ngo kwarigani bene ilinde tobeto gosanga asobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omoelio AMAYIA yebire bigani gotoko yachaka korase county ya Kisii singo kumanya buna ABC yomo women rep county ya Kisii Dori Sabuli kubwaterana nababwatani korwa sensemo ya Kenya Film Commission nigo babere bakorwa amaegelio gochia ase abasaimeye county yo elinde kweneke buna ngo twara bale obomanyibwe kerengo kigoro mono sensemo ya mangana yoboralia okwana chinga ki omorobelio yo bakogoika omoelio asobete kogochaka egwikeyemo ya itire nigo omo women rep abagakorera egatieme chando abereka gwetera elinde kweneke bunango sirale abasae kwegenderelia anene asene kebana nige serikali egendeta kubwatoka chibesa chinge echo kitanyale kumo enekya goikera abarai awosabasae kolende nigo abagakori eirago chikobwaterana nabayigo kweneke buna abasaime county ya Kisii babere bakonyora amaigelio nabayigo gotwara obumanyibwe birengo asingencho yoko gacha enibo gochakia obonchelia nabayigo kwegendelia asobugima bwabo
met any group and you see that the group is very vibrant, the group is ready to learn. When I was talking to the teachers, they told me that this is the most active class that they've met. I didn't want to take that as just a light talk. I've decided to take the 200 learners. We start officially our Kisii Sweethearts self-help group circle so that we see, apart from filming, what else they can do with the small initiatives that will come from national government affirmative action, so that they can either start businesses, or if not businesses, they can invest their money. So they are the best group. They come from different constituencies. Kisii County has 9. So they will be our representatives in reaching out to the entire Kisii County so that we can have a big number of these self-help group. It depends, you know, you don't do one thing. The other day, we were educating on a computer. We went to Nyamira, we did mentorship. What can make us not to reach so many people or to have a replica of these activities is the small amount that is being allocated in the office of the woman rep. If we had like the 13 billion that the governor has, my friend, we will train even pilots. There is nothing that we can't do. So we move with what we have. You could reach out to the youth. You reach out to the people living with disability, vulnerable groups. So today, I'm very excited about the Kenya Film Commission and Kenya Film School for giving our students skills. Skills are very helpful. If you have no skills, even in communication, if you don't have any communication skill, you will miss a lot because information is power. You will know nothing. Now with this, our latest world, technology is given #1 priority. So I've prioritized this so that when you have this engagement, they've learned so many things. Even when you invest in social capital, when they make friends, tomorrow or another day, you will find someone calling each of the students maybe they were schooling with, they socialize, they share their problems. There is much that we can engage our youths and make them to be better people in our society. Thank you.
Chinga kiechio boigoni go abasaye baba bakogokera omorobileyo ase abasaye chimi bere babere bakonyora amayigelyo osangane getaseni iki Ndizi TV nigo baenekya gutwara obumanyi bwekerengo keigoro ase bairaneri mbya mono gocha ase omoimenere pu county ya Kisii asokoleta omorobilyo bunoyo elinde gosira abasaye kolende okoboli gwanigo kwaba gukorwega gocha asa barayiborogongo rwa Gusii kobweterana na boigo kweneke buna abasaye nkwenyorera bali amayigelyo asekerenga kyo kwegendereria aso bugima bwabo.
Naitwa LYDIA, known as Gusii. I'm a boss lady. I'm a business lady selling maize, Darajambili and Nyanchama. I'm a blogger and I'm on MOSE TV, also as a reporter and as a camera woman. I can say I came here just to study about filmmaking, being a producer and script writing. And for sure I can testify I've gained a lot because if I were to go to school, I could have paid a lot of money, that is 8,000 and a film commission and film school. But through our women lab, Madam Donya Doris Toto, she has empowered us and now we have skills that we can go outside there and teach others and do more films and more producers and produce good jobs. To me, I can say thank you, Mama, and I've never voted actually since I got the ID. And today I had that mentality of he's not my family, he can't help me, he will and help his family and maybe the relatives. But from today, coming another election, I will stand with you and I will vote for the first time. Those guys who are outside there, when any chance comes across, just try to be in that chance. You're gonna gain a lot. As for me, I've gained a lot, and thank you.
My name is Geoffrey Machoka, just a beneficiary of this program. Tumefurahia sana kwa mama county amehakikisha kwamba tumepata haya mafunzo. I'm from Nyaribari Masaba na ninafurahia sana kwa kazi nzuri mama anafanya. Hatutaendelea kusikiza maneno from the other side, but tutaendelea kumshika mikono because amesaidia watu wengi from different constituencies within Kisii County. Hii ndio maendeleo ambao wa Kenya tunataka. Otherwise mambo mengine sitaki. Na kuna viongozi aina tatu. Kuna viongozi aina tatu. Mmoja ni kama chakula, hatuwezi kumwepuka. Huyu ndio kiongozi ambaye hatuwezi kumwepuka. Kuna kiongozi wa pili ambao ni kama dawa, tunamtafuta wakati tunamhitaji. Hao sio viongozi dhabiti. Na kuna mwingine ni kama maradhi, hatutaki kuwaona maishani mwao. Mama County umetusaidia sana na tunashukuru. Kenya Film Production tunawashukuru kwa kuungana na ngafu kwa kutuletea.
Magiga yabamenye korwa sensemo yegesa kowe murunganiria kubwatkana no kwirana nse ko bokoreri bwabo chinga kibabere bakuborwa estima asegeka ritko lero ni gababwatani korwa sensemo ya Kenya Power bayimukiye gitambukira nabo koyikirana ase CHINSA nako eneke buna babere bakwirania estima gosanga nabaliki bamangana nigo baherera ogokonyeka nabayigo kweneke buna nigo emirobiri yabo erabege kogendera butambe askolende nigo gukura konena kwaba gukurwego gucyasa bamenye bensemeyo abo babegete omorero bwestima asenchera etabwenereti chinga kibaba bakuborirwa kweneke bunango talira bale abisi cha Kenya Power na kubwatia amerobiri liganere asekirenga gyo kwenyorera estima.
Uwaka Kenya Power mbuya mona soko ndani estima market yegesa. Market yegesa abera almost 2 weeks etagwati kumore ba sengencho. Eto asoma to wapa ya yete osega to out. Kono bayira ni narekoteria abantu baito begesa na Kenya ngima na Gusii. Uyo tageto umore tiogenda obisi wakora umore tageti sirigo connection ego chayagera transformer ya twara bokongu ya pakaya cha bupro igo dende tigato tebenga bazara eto estima bande Kenya Power na bali babwate ligo connections utakara iga kubuto ruchire lakini tiye chikukura sobo egere nayo gende ora cheste no the west or westima to Kenya Power yes kubeke estima o so mundo tamanyeti very strong na ende yigra cha kole todo ko tema
asa marietan na inde Francis Mwebi soroi inche noli mo kadwegesa assist mayale te sida rero igana tuaboka tuanyora na amangana chenje ndabuya togete gotebana tokwana iga mukuri liga estima ya itu ya atire ritan kabisa togoteba Kenya Power soko respond tunashukuru itore twagokire mono twatebire mbuya mono abantu ba Kenya Power kwa jumla amono mukubwa tenirete no alega kule na mono yo mintore na chief ito area chief tunasema ni asanti wale ba kwa Kristo tokobwatirana otorete estima ego togoteba nkelina estima kia abere gotwara muchanda twakwana tomukubwa totobera agatasamiga atosomende twaigule otebire na tokosaba kera estima liya kutwale blobere babwango baminyoka baika go tako eside yarkanire elinde yasukuru mapema ekiara kulingana bato eresire twabere toko mukubwa berega tukane mukubwa tenete olega abera agotoresira mangana maya agere twasoira mongo ite twabwatekero ya mo area gaigisa
negati abamenyi korwa sensemo ya Nyansiongo anene abasai nigo babere bagwesokya bene nabo igokoboria ekyombe getenene tobochori ne chimbebe ABC kwango ya obokoleri bwabo nabo igokoralia bene abo bisabara bagotenenera ekyombe ekyo linda kwene kyabuna obochori ngokolekana bole ase wodi ya Nyansiongo bakoragwano yokoligia ekirugo kyobo MCA ase wodi yo Ayub Tumbo nigo aberega kwene kyabuna nigo amagendero agendete koratera ase CHINSA mecho Mulikito Okara Polycarp na roboti rasinchira yewekirano
abasaba iga bagokwane meyekenyero gya Tinderet kyo gigotoke meye wadi ya Nyansiongo niko bagendere ko babakwerera buna bagende ko bagochandika samatuko ari magega
Nyansiongo amaendelea ni maega asinyenjo umurai nduranyora murai ura turai Nyansiongo wote twagete chikura last time twakachikura buya tukakora twakachikura tukakora alafu zombea makosa ratuka
iko bagote babuna hagesa chikure cyo nyarako bachigoterenwa moneke gambero niko amagendero araterire meye wadi ya Nyansiongo egento kolengana na barabo baburiri oburayi kunyarako babokubekwa kiralio nenjire yameyo kubachora baraya waranyarako bakobakonyeri kwegenderia samatuko alibosyo
leta abantu banyansiongo wodi mocho wa IPC ya choru ya koliru tomanye gotenena twakachikura tocharo murayi uri twanjete igo entura tebuna basaya banyansiongo wodi nabantu bose banyansiongo wodi twerande maega sinye chikodi sinye yakira tambe sana Bajigona tamu mete minute na torende maega sije mantra ibintu byasare kirede Nyansiongo wodi
nonye nabo niko bagende ko bakoboria ababunge nabego nabaseneta kwajeriria engane igoro yo cross wogwe kyombe kyobochoria mone chimbebe kya IEBC nenchire yemo yokonyara ko bakobeka lituko lyobochori kiralio elio konyara ko bagochora umurai yora bakonya samagendra seke keiga getigarete
astrondi ntwa akachikura kuru Nyansiongo magosaka jagatoka ari Nyansiongo wodi kuruabu ekabanga ngora twarenge chikura wikirabona ndora gendo kende gyo nsike ndrete so tuachora baraya bange nabono ari Nyansi ari tawni ido akijauri ndobu atichononya asaba ngina kwa itobe chiro bakwande etogo saba IBC ari wanje chorwira ne bwango egere to ira ndo akachikura togendere mna chigodi jine chigandre
ningana yairwe na Ayubu Tumbo yo mabwa bali bakurigia ekiruge kiga kurwa soro wangoriga oyokogania engane iyo nyarako bagekwajerirwa bunenjire yemo yokuba bose bole bwabo abamenye kurwa sinseme chiga cha Nyansiongo
tubana senator I want to request you in a special way. IPC
Igoro tenene buna youth na tutenene ga mega ito tutenene tuake chikura wango amaendelea sije miaka ya 100 sana IPC tenene IPC cho mapema
Eginko ripotire kitaseni kya wanjete kya Ndizi TV kurugigase chinseme chiga cha Tinderet yego tokeme yego diga ya Nyansionge County ya Nyamira inche kongoro kwa Polycarp okara
Mbia mono sana umurikecho Polycarp okara asogo twaliganiria oroboti oro asenchera yobwagari Otigana nayo nagosika mutu asoroboti ronde ni gongo kumenya buna magigayo mugavana wa county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati kwena na amabuli litkoli goronyemo chokeroka nigo egati ya boncheria korwa asenseme yo babiri bagwesoke bene nabo igoko gikeria egekolekyo asebaganirie okoigwana gotoka likali gokinya amaberera imeyo mochi okeroko oyo bwango igobereka kugikeria engane yo no moraija feta chochi asaberega koboria omulembe kwene kigwa chinga kichonsi imeyo mochi okeroka
nabo ibere bya bakuriya yesterday asibwitira sama buria What not is what by Simba Arati singing to Lydia Keroka Asat Makaka Sini, Rapubunua Kerokene na Karokene Kare Emongayomoga Urbakoro, Mongayamoga, Diana Boku. Ugo Chikaba Chivere, Nyamira na Kisii, Wancha, Rabuka Banene, Wachamo. Nabo igo babwisuru tumirengia jasa wananchi ikiagera abananchi albakora biashara ya musumu cyokeroka batagetomo lembe n'ubwanjani nabego basinga ntuye gasingia edia bana baito bana school na ba jaftam banyole ikibesa ikibakora mbe school nabo nalitulia lero ase mu cyokeroka yere korekana nga ibirindira abasikari kuri mu Nyamira nabati mukana kigari kafsaiga bachi ameti nabayo abakeroka ramasa igonsi kuri batonsi arabesanya nabona nabale maase kiro maiga bawocho kana koleta malembe n'ubwanjani ibara cyo gusaba Simba Arati barasorwa igari nge gusorwa amagana ya yelibere arafu ngororo amaguru amaburi ya maburi to nyanchite nanda bajeza mbajatete bakorrega igo na gusaba ka kitanga nyo marenda n'ubwanjani asama skanino n'inwa barai n'ndicida muri baraiga tuamo oye tego sinya mwa kubeka nenda magana n'kando muri kia baka Nyamira County Kisii County abale baitana no muchokeroka ururi go magwodi kaichunu godi bachamo abagaka baiga kwa surwa magana karabali yelire aki ainara na sabe SSM ya Nyamira na Kisii tafadhali amalembe no bwanje ndio maskani tuarade igentege koleta libera lina na mano kutubosia ili take dintu abanyabia sara na byo abanyabakara
Abarandia korwa sekiombe gya Keumbu Pastors Prayer Network Association nigo babere bagwesoke bene nabo igokobolia omugavana wa county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati kubwaterana no mubunge Zahir Chanda nabo igokwenekia amagenderero asabamenyi ibebunge yo boigoni go aboligwa kweneke bnangu bwaterana ale nabarai anemono ase serikali enene abakorwa asorgongorwa Gusii elinda kweneke buna orogongorwo ngoskarole bosio chinga kicho boigo nigo abarandi abo babere bakogania gosirwa elinda kweneke buna nkorandi abale enchiri uboikirano muliketo daipona sanya noroboti rasenchira iyo boikirano
chikanise chiga twachiramo asobwamo litukolia lero asama sabo
ekiombe gya Keumbu Pastors Prayer Network Association ikiye kubwatania abarai bechikanisa gwetania 30 kuri ebunge ya Nyalibari Church nigo baomerana anene asogosabera county ya Kisii
kerenga gyeito kyatoleta iga na sengencho yogosabera constituency yeito ne county yeito ya Gusii egere nyara gutwara omorembe
kaunti ito ya Kisii na nonyene kaunti ito bebekaine ya Nyamira otokusaba omorembe Gusii ito actually Gusii at large enyara gutwara omorembe oteyo magendero oteyo
kera abantu bari amo bagusaba amo bagokora emirimo amo ensege kogenderera
bakorawa n'omunyakirogo Reverend Abel Onchari nigo bakwanira ogo chama obuno mu Gusii wetera abaraino burayobuya elio kuirorogongoro igarwa Gusii motwe
county ya Kisii twensi gotoregente kemo nande tegete omugabano ito arebune president yeito anyare gotobeka amo buna omugusii tuigwanane amo na CS Machogu amo no mo chumbo ito nyari bari chache bwana Sairi Chanda egere tutwara masabo amanene egere omorembobe
bora ito mochorire ndia tokora magendero ye kararekanire twagoka amo twensi igo osaba goito bune kanisa inkorianga abarai kunama koranga magenderero omwako minyo kiro yonde naende tigango tokora magenderero elinde tunyare ko korera omugusii sabeta magendera maya
aratia ye ni gonga omugaka obwate family omongina nabana aye nayo bwente kubeka family yao amobuno mugaka ogambe asenkeyo egerenke yerorekane igonga aye buno mugavana bwe county Kisii bekango amagenderero aritwago chorerete uturae utuorokereri mubwatane n'abamino bonsi asobwamo omoseneta omochumbe na omogoko n'oringa intubwate omone bw'ekisemi mwensi mubwatira namo muturae n'entugusii egenderere
gokwana imeye kanisa ya LYDIA eyogotoka omochio Kiumbu nigo baboli okoigwana hagati y'omwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogo mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati amono mubunge usauti mugrango Silvanus Osoro
togosaba CS Machogu baigwanane no CS no mugavano ito uyore Simbarati amona bonsi bali bakora emirimo amo na Silvanus Osoro nari Gusii ito iranyare koba egentekia mumenyete butamba nga esiasa embe amagenderero tayo lakini esiasa engia ekerego korwa amagenderero ni gakobororo
ndonsi pia abantu kubale isiko abagusii ase bakorera nyorekana batuka nga korunka se bare obogambi mborororo inchaina aronda gotebi ngoyo minto Simbarati enchireri kware goteba nga ajenetaya naende bono korea AMAYIA Kisii yeito arekane koba etaya
komenta nayo nigo baboli abarai bonsi kobwatia chimbaratero chingiya cy'omugusii iligo kinya egesaku cy'omugusii
abarai aba baito mo bwati chimbaratero cy'amaremu umwesimi wa Simeon Nyachae niga begete abantu bonsi pigusii engima ko bari bo elimo
Giko ripoteli getaseni kia unambeyamo kia Ndizi TV kurwase kanisa ya LYDIA egotoka omochio Kiumbu imeye bunge ya Nyalibari chache elietalia nenkoro kwa Dipon asanya
Mbiamano sana umurikecho daipana sanya asoro botirwa senchera yobwagari gotigana nayo ni gotokende Masaya mogoika county ya Nyamira asengo kumanyabuna no nyamagaga ya serikali ye county yokobeka emirobili yogosengerelia ebango anene aso gotumika emitandao yekerero nigo abaunchilia bare angekorera amatunda yomorobili yo kurende abara ikorwase chichiro 52 nigo babere bagotwara ebikaro ane kumurikira ali abaunchilia bagwetera chingaki chobokoreri bwabo nigo babere bakubolia serikali ye county ya Nyamira kwenike buna nkobeka bale chitaya ase chichiro kwenike buna nkobeka bale amache kubaroselia ase bakogenda kebara nabo igo chipara elinde kwenike obokoreri obuya ase nsemo ye chichiro kolende abonchereria kurwa ase chiro ya Miruka nigo batwalete ogotaigwana amona banyanyimbo bakancho eke kyabetege kuirira omwaziri w'oboncherere me county ya Nyamira Bernard Maina wesana nigatina boigo gosonsora omochando yo muri kito job maangi na bakagwikira na CHINSA mecho na boigo gotwalikanira orobotiro kubwatia
Kaunti Nyamira nigenderete kubika emeroberio ao anene mono aso kwene kingo kini bare ekerengo gikibesa kigosangirirwa wetera asebango elinde kwene kingo kigokora bare amagenderero ase oboikiranu bagokwana ewiki emaga yo gutwara egeikaro ekiabage koreta abonchire kuru ase chichiro emerongo 52 inse omwaburi omwanyagetinge business community nigo abarayi bechichiro ekyo babeire bagurwa amasabo abo gotia ase eserikali ye Kaunti Nyamira ase babeire bagusaba eserikali ye Kaunti Nyamira kuigora chipara chire maega yechichiro ekyo elinda kwene kingo kora bare obosombi ase nchira yobororo
yonkuburia umugambi oito mugavana chinjere chiamagega nechengenjo mono sana nabura nyoro muntu kitako gechete waita magake kwe bacha kwanyore gwakore gentu kieke gwachire na ningo konya chire minisi yokoire gentu baka nyomba
oburabu na mache kobekwa ase chichiro elinda ko baroroberia obunchereria bwabo na kobakonya gokora obunchereria bwabo batabwati bokongu
ministers bao bagocha chichiro ao ekero bagocha baruchi minutes barika ebabeka minute au bunana kibacha takirwo chake gazi tigabateme goikerania buna boni gocha se chire ya magombo chodi chiyo street red chabege tu echincho ke chatorire ime moriro no nchiri woka nonya nabo tware goteba nga renovation chikorerwe
ase babiri bagusaba obotumeki obya bwekibesa kigosangererwa korwa ase chichiro elinde kwene kinga nkonyora bare amagenderero
mwanya getinga mwensi ase mwaika chichiro chonsi pi buna chire 72 lwatora atware wa omonuo yomo umugaba natalinga ngo senga goko kwasatole lwato gotwara omonuo yomo eonya ntori gokorerwa buna tutagete gotora akane bango yorite ko mbuya mono
engana boigo yabage kwirera okungsanana egati abonjeria ase chiro ya miruka nabachogi korwa ase Kaunti Nyamira
miruke yene jire nene yayiboire chichiro chinde chinga twarorire bintu bigokorwa ntu waiga ntori bana turabanta abanene twachira monya gotoretera abantu abatokwanira bagenda twakanga kora bari mune ibone ga wasiri atatebinde saguri ya fata lero ntware gwanchanga tocha twikaranzi bugana nde choge chake for 2 weeks kaba nintu twamweto burai abangina bamiruka inzu chande gete bagaka bari koruka bacha gukora byasara nabangina tokoruka twacha kurigeria abagaka nabana oikera gabana motebinga intoge ejiri na gabana ntoge ejiri
etabusa kerebe kibasa cya etabusa nandete ko ne gwito ko baboigo ko babare ngora aso ogotoiraniria muna toko baboria maswali na marube togorika okerengaki lakini bono yaikirase omofado itonyangeri bwe komitia abenganere omwasirisho itomonene o communicate itane gavana gusasa abawaziri
asomo waziri wobonchereria ime Kaunti Nyamira Bernard Maina abaga sona nagati elinde kwene kinga nkogaya nare engana eye
wana nirenga bae serikali chingaki ekegera ntogenda tagushughulika ko make sure nga amangana ali baboretie twayaikeraniri egento twatebage go chaka immediately na match so that within 2 weeks a contractor etoko ikire site anyale ko connect ya match ko rwa certificate atabuke go chagaiga chitanginchiro agere amacha yaswe banyale ko bagutimya namanganare ayande ba begete ayande nabatebiringa twachote kamati ikuligeria mangana yonse kyagera ukata cross department au
ginko reporteria Ndizi TV korwa se Kaunti Nyamira Job Maangi
Mbiamano sana mulikito Job Maangi asorobotero asenchera yoboikirano Osika mutu asorobotero nde ni gongo kumenya buna chigo soli chyo kwegya asorgongo rwa Nyanza nigo chabere chigo kolekana ase skuru ya Nyabururu imeye County ya Kisii echitabete chigo chakali tkolya Alamisi nabo igogo ika omoelio litko lyalero kolende nigo omubaro monene bwe chiskuru anene chiria chubo bundi obereko gwesoke bene nabo igogo gwesona nigati ase amamiranyo ayo okwana omonyakiro bwe chigosali ekyo John Owoko negabaga kubolya abayiboli kwaneke bunango sira bale abana babo ase ogotumeka ebyegwa nabo igogo konyeka amatukabo sio
We started the activity on Thursday, 29th. Today is our final day, the third day, and the activity has been so good. It has really been entertaining. This is a very, very good opportunity for our youths to display their skills, and it is an opportunity because out of this, a number of the youths will be able to earn their living, because a number of them will be able to act. They will be able to develop their own content, and this will be a source of income and employment to them. As TVET institutions, the biggest challenge is we don't have any funding from the government specifically for sports and recreational activities like the drama, and we are looking forward to the government in the future at least bringing some financial support.
What I want to say is that parents should encourage their sons to do what I call dual system in their training. They take both TVET and talent areas, because I may be an engineer, I may be a good person in masonry, good in social work, but if I add my talent of music, I add my talent of drama, my talent in these areas, I can go far. And you have seen today in journalism, for example, those journalists who have an extra talent in the area of drama and comedy, they go far compared to those who are only basically journalists, or those who are serving, for example, in companies like Post Office, KPA, who have sports. They go far. We have even our athletes today, like Omanyala, is both a policeman and both are an athlete. So it is a double advantage. So we encourage the parents not to fight with their children when they have some talents in areas, but to encourage them that they both pursue their talents and pursue their careers.
Funzi kutoka vio vyote hivi tunafurahia, kwa sababu hiyo inaonyesha kwamba nyumbani huku lazima watu wamefanya biashara kidogo. Kadhalika hii ni kueneza tamaduni zetu na vile watu walivyoishi kitambo na vile watu wanavyoishi, kwa sababu hili ni funzo kuwa michezo ya sanaa hii inaongezea faida katika mtoto ule ambaye anaigiza. Kadhalika inatufunza
Salim.
Kyokoraga.
Now I want to go in Kyokora.
You know, when I left in Kenya, I went to the airport.
Sagin. Nalero na kimuntu. Gakuona kogo kwa.
Nyabeta kiraritu kuri wiki kurwa Jumatatu gwika Ijumaa CHINSA 2:30 chiabotuko ime ya Ndizi TV.